couple things that I've noticed after 2,000 miles of owning this is when you have the windows down, these seat belts flap in the wind, and it's pretty loud. I'm gonna try picking up 777 Designs has a little air deflector that goes by the mirror, and I plan to try that out here soon in the future to see if it eliminates some of that. All right, so the 777 S650 wind deflector came in, well boxed. I'm gonna try this out, see if it takes care of the wind noise and the seatbelt slap that happens at speed. But these are 3D printed remarkably well and attached with some double-sided tape here. One thing I thought in the pictures online is that these were a flat back. It's nice to see that they added these yeah, so these fit right on this triangle piece, and the raised ridges here kind of lock it in. It's affixed with double-sided tape. So I'm just going to clean this off with some alcohol, peel this off and stick it on here. I've been waiting for a day where it was a little bit warmer just so that it would adhere better. And we're about 60 degrees right now in North Texas, so I think this will be just fine. But let's go ahead and clean it up and go from there. These raised portions here that kind of hug the contour of the mirror, or I guess this little triangle piece over here. All right, now that that alcohol has had a chance to kind of air dry, I'm gonna put a little bit of this adhesion promoter on this rag, and I'm going with the assumption that less is more here, but put about a quarter size spot on this towel and wiping it down. Try and get all these different sides and angles here. Push like hell. I actually kind of like the way these look. I thought they were going to be a wider wing, but you'll see here in just a second they're barely noticeable. Although they do show a bit of fingerprints on them. Alright, and there you have it. A little bit of an air deflector look. The finish does match fairly good, although these definitely show some fingerprints while you're cleaning it. Now to do the other side. Put a little bit more of this adhesion promoter on this rag, which essentially smells like denatured alcohol. It's really thin. It's hard to even tell if you're getting it out of the packaging. But imagine something is better than nothing here. And a little bit does go a long way, it looks like. Hold this down for about 10 seconds or so, and then we're going to give it the high speed test.